All right. Y'all see me struggling to get that car put up because of oil, that freaking paint. Rich told me to use a heat gun. What up, people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds, and I'm Easy E. As you can see, this garage is nice and clean because from the last video that we made, y'all seen that we got the Equinox up and running. So now it's time to rip the interior out, and I got to figure out about that driver's seat because the donor car has electric seats, and the Equinox has manual seats. So hopefully I can take the bases off both of them and swap them over. We keep that manual seat thing going. So it's not electrical. Wish I could do electric seats, power seats. But if you're new to the channel, let's go see what's going on. So here she is again. Got the hood popped up. We do got new rims and tires for her, or new used rims and tires. But we got to get this interior pulled out. I don't know, no copyright scene music here in the background. Neighbors playing music. But it is what it is. Got to get these seats out, center console out, and try to chip a lot of this paint up. But not in this video. Got to get the plastics down. But it's a 13 millimeter for the bolts for the front. I do believe the front end and back seats. I got to figure out how to break the center console down. We must be taking everything out. I get the radio, well, not to get the radio out, but I got to get that off, of course, to clean it. Everything got to come out. But she does run great. Got to get these door cards off because the doors got some dinks and dings. I'm going to try to get it out from the back. Do the body work from the back. Dent right here. Try to knock some of these dents out on the side of the doors from the inside. Knock the dents out the fenders from the inside behind it. And if you haven't noticed, got a little bubbling right there. Got to address that. But this car, we're going to do it differently, and I got to fix all that. Probably cut the metal out the red car, because that is my donor car, and weld it back in. I'll see. Or I might just use some Bondo glass and fill it in and shape it, because this is not a brand new car. And it's just that one section, because it got hit in this door. And that one got hit in the door. If you're new to this channel, hit at the bottom. So we're taking the red doors off that car and swapping them over to this car. But I ain't gonna throw the doors away, these doors away immediately, scrap them immediately. I think I still need parts for, well, I gotta take the door locks out, of course. The door handles off. But I'm gonna need parts for that car door, because that door doesn't open from the inside. So with all that, let's jump on into it.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you
changed, man. All your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So what up, though, people? Oh, we out here knocking it out. Yep. Yeah, I got a ham up in there. We got Tina wanting a ham. Got to cook a ham. Yep, all the time, baby.
Wanted some ribs, but
With the homemade glaze. Yep. Got honey ham with the
ribs.
Hey, look, they over here talking about food, y'all. But still gotta get this carpet pulled up. But we got most of the plastics out. I don't know if that radio gonna work. If I take the radio out of another car, will it work in this car? I'm thinking about just keeping that radio, just cleaning it up. Ain't gonna get no CD player. But yeah, so we getting all good. Gotta get the door cards off. Those are 10 millimeters. To get the seats off, these front seats was actually 15 millimeters. But it was hard to get, you see in time that was hard for me to get that bench seat up because it's all stuck down by paint, which I gotta try to scrape as much of that up as I can. But these door cards should be ready to come off. Let's pull some trims off. Fingers hurt. I did smash my finger at work because I do work a full-time job. Nail gonna fall off. Somebody been here before? Because they don't got the insulator in here. But it's very, very nasty up in here. Like I said, look at two for 99 cigarillo wrappers. So y'all see it? They was just some smokers up in here. Bunch of smokers. Think of some vomit on this side. A bunch of smokers. Didn't take care of the car. That's why the motor blew. And Easy's Rebuilds got this car for the cheap. Cause I like cars that don't run. Give me some learning experience. Pulling motors, but this one still need a little body work. Gonna get some paint. Already got some, like I said, already got some tires and rims off another Equinox. Paid like $400 for at LKQ. But let's jump back into doing this so y'all hear everybody back here talking. Cause usually y'all know I'll be back here by myself. It's getting hot outside, so the weather breaking. So now everybody want to be outside while I make my videos, distracting me, talking about keys and key fobs and door lock actuators and some long hot dogs. But he done left. He better be back later. Y'all know my hater neighbor, Rich.
He knows everything.
Yeah, he knows everything, but don't want to do nothing. So he ordering parts for me to fix his car. Ain't that a trip? So, well, he ain't ordering parts. He had my brother from another mother order the parts so I can fix his stuff. Usually have me order parts so I can fix his stuff, like his blend door actuators. Now he ordering key fobs. He got to order door lock actuators. But let's jump back into this so I can be done. I got videos to edit. But I never pulled the interior out of one of these cars, and it was pretty simple and easy. So let me get these door cards off.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
All right. Y'all see me struggling to get that car put up because of oil, that freaking paint. Rich told me to use a heat gun. Try to soften it up so I can peel it up. Try that later on. We got the whole interior pulled out. Forgot I left the window down. I gotta get the window back up. But I can just plug in the box over there I got over there. But I did find this. I didn't find it. I ended up making it. It wasn't a hole there. But when I was shop vacuuming and sucking up all this rusted area, started sucking up that. But I can patch that. That wouldn't be that difficult. And reseal it. But she's all interior out. Interior is in the garbage. Most of it. Still got the back seats and the passenger seat over there. Trying to figure out how to get the base, how to separate the base of the seat so I can get the track off, because I just want the track. Because both seats are different. This manual seat, like I said before, that's power seat. So I want to get the back off of that one and the bottom off the other one and switch them over. I already got the bottom off this one, so I figure I get the backrest off of it. And I can't use that seat to figure it out because that seat is totally different. I don't got no other seats I can practice on. But she getting it together. They got to take doors off that one, get them cut in so they can go in this car. Do a little work here, a little bit of work there. Off camera, on camera. But got her running. That was the first step, getting her running. I was anticipating all these other things. She just needed an engine. Then she needed cradle. The cradle mount in the front was severely rotted out, so the front of the engine was just bouncing because the cradle wasn't attached to the frame of the car no more. But let's say she's coming together as long as she's running. I can bag her up, put her in, and get her on going. I had to change the seat belts. Got a lot of stuff I got to, some little stuff I got to do, and some big stuff. But it is what it is over here at Easy's Rebuilds, where we just knock it out, just get it done by any means necessary. This is going to be a nice car for somebody. Like I say, got 99,000 miles on the dash, 99,000 miles on the body, transmission, but the motor got 94,000 miles on the motor. So we did put a motor with less miles on it. And she sounds good. And my brother from the mother can vouch because it was a Copart car that was here in the front, listed as run and drive with 94,000 miles. So that's where the motor came from, and that car was all-wheel drive. We put in a two-wheel drive, so a lot of brackets got switched over. But it's time for me to go in the house, start edit some videos. So y'all know what's up. So if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you would. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers. We truly appreciate it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. We take Cash App donations. We have merch at teespring.com. We take donations for cars locally. Trade a car a few cars or so, depending on how much money we got into a car. You're going to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people.
Deuces!